Unleashing the wild side. Understanding go wild in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss that will surely add a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. We are going to dive into the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, go wild. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is crafted to help everyone grasp the concept thoroughly. So, let's get started. Go wild is a phrase made up of two words, go and wild. Individually, go is a verb that implies movement or transformation, and wild is an adjective that means uncontrolled or unrestrained. When these two words come together, they create a phrase that means to act in an unrestrained or uninhibited manner. It often implies a sudden release of energy or emotion. The phrase can be used in various contexts, and understanding the scenario is key to interpreting its meaning correctly. 1. Celebration. The crowd went wild when the singer hit the stage. Here, go wild implies extreme excitement and enthusiasm. 2. Approval or disapproval. My parents are going to go wild when they see my grades. This could mean that the parents will be very angry if the grades are bad, or very happy if the grades are good, depending on the context. 3. Losing control. He went wild and started yelling at everyone. In this case, go wild implies losing temper and control. Let's go through some more examples to understand how to use go wild in different sentences. 1. The fans went wild after the last-minute goal. 2. Feel free to go wild with the decorations. I trust your taste. 3. She decided to go wild and dye her hair pink. 4. The children went wild at the party, running around and screaming with joy. These examples show that go wild can be used in both positive and negative contexts, depending on the situation. 1. Pay attention to the context. The meaning of go wild can vary significantly depending on the situation. 2. It's usually informal. This phrase is typically used in informal settings. 3. Use it with caution. If used to describe someone's behavior, it could be interpreted as critical or disapproving if the context is not clear. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and using the phrase, go wild. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, the key is to understand the context and use it appropriately. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay wild with your English adventures.